everyone, Chef Ellyn here, and just in time for the holidays, I'm inviting you to my kitchen to teach you how to make Southwestern cornbread stuffing. And my secret ingredient is Reed's Southwestern bean salad. This bean salad is packed full of all those flavors that we crave. The chili, the garlic, the peppers, and it's nice and saucy, so it will keep your stuffing moist. So let's get cooking. I start with a hot cast iron pan turned up to about medium high, and I melt 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll get that nice and sizzling, and then I'll saute up 1 onion and a couple stalks of celery. Let these vegetables saute until your onions are translucent. Meanwhile, get the next step going. I have 4 eggs that I'm going to whisk up with a 1/4 cup of rough chopped cilantro. And then I'm going to add about 3 cups of chicken stock. Whisk this and set it to the side. Now that the veggies are tender, add a pound of sausage. If you like it spicy, add hot Italian sausage or mild. Break this up. And as you're cooking and stirring, add a tablespoon of garlic and 2 tablespoons of poultry seasoning. Oh, it's starting to smell like the holidays in here. Keep stirring and sauteing and breaking up the sausage, and this will be delicious. Now that the sausage is cooked through, I'm going to add some diced red bell peppers, some corn, and then that Reed's Southwestern bean salad. Oh, wow. Just look at these festive colors, and perfect for the holidays. Okay, now to finish our stuffing. You're gonna need cornbread. I made mine, but you can buy yours if you prefer. I have 4 cups of cubed cornbread that I'm going to add to this mixture. Gently fold it in, and then we're going to pour over that stock egg mixture. Finish by folding. Stir until the cornbread is evenly coated, and then pop this in an oven preheated at 400 degrees for about 35 minutes. Kitchen cleaned and stuffing cooked. Now, time to dig in. Oh, the Southwestern bean salad really did the trick. Look at all those beautiful vegetables and the garlic and the chili. I smell it so good. This would be perfect as a side or garnished with a little cilantro and eaten as is. For this complete recipe and more, visit reedsalads.com and bring an appetite. I'll share.